Bonjour, bonsoir tout le monde. Bienvenue sur la chaîne pour une nouvelle vidéo. Si c'est la première fois, je vous bienvenue. Non, pas c'est Sylvie 509. Et si c'est la deuxième fois, je vous merci parce que vous êtes retourné. Si vous regardez la vidéo, si vous abonner, please, pas oublier abonner et puis partager la vidéo ça avec les amis. Dans la vidéo aujourd'hui, je vais vous montrer nos parfums. Alors, collection parfum, je ne vais pas parler de ingrédients, je vais juste montrer nous ça, je dans la collection. Si vous avez un parfum là qui est intéressant, juste quittez un commentaire pour moi et faites-moi connaître qui sont les pensées de vidéo ça. Alors, nous commençons. Je vais commencer dans le Bonsoir qui c'est niche. Et là, moi, j'ai 6 parfums de Bon number 9. Parfums are unisex, men can use them and women can use them. This one called Chinatown, and this is Nolita, and this one is I Love New York, Astor Place. This is Astor Place, and this one is Sandalwood. If you love Sandalwood, you might love this one. Este se llama Bon number 9 New York Signature. And over here, I have 2 from Tom Ford. Este es Tom Ford Black Orchid. Este es bien fuerte. And this one is Tom Ford Orchid Soleil. From here, I have 2 from Swiss Arabian. This one is Attar Al Sheila, and this one is Sir Al Sheila. Those are from Swiss Arabian. Là, moi, j'ai niche Red Ruby from ARMAF, mon qui fait ça, les ARMAF. Et puis là, moi, j'ai L'Aventure Femme by also HARAMIAN. Là, moi, j'ai 2 from HARAMIAN also. Malheureusement, moi pas songé Noir, but moi songé ça les portfolio Royal something and ça les portfolio vraiment pas songé non ça. So c'est comme ça premier chef là. L'eau garde premier chef là c'est comme ça il paraît et c'est exactement parfum ça moi gagne là-dedans. So in the second one I have 3 from the House of Creed. I have Maison Francis. I have Alexandre, 2 from Amouage, and 2 from HARAMIAN also. I remember I told you this one, that side was niche, but this perfume is not a niche brand. It's from one of, it's a celebrity perfume, which is Ariana Grande. She's a singer and I think she's an actor also. Actress, whatever. So, guys, I have this one because it smells similar to this one. That's why I have it here. And this one is Jasmine Whips. Lastimosamente no puedo pronunciar este nombre de la persona que hizo ese perfume porque como pueden ver, no es vraiment difficile à prononcer. J'ai HARAMIAN Amber Oud Rouge. La bouteille est rouge. Et HARAMIAN Amber Oud. La différence est que this one is very sweet. Et this one is more like fruity. So this is how the second shelves looks like. And for the third one, c'est un peu mix parce que j'ai des parfums from Monstera. J'ai aussi un parfum de Mental. Quelqu'un m'a dit que Mental c'est la même chose with Monstera. I really don't know. I'm not quite sure. And I have Le Parfait pour Femme by ARMAF. And I also have 3 from the house of HARAMIAN. As you can see, guys, I really love HARAMIAN. So this one called Genyen Noir and this one called Genyen. If you love how you call the perfume? If you love a Chanel number 5, you might love this one too because it smells similar. It has the same vibe. It's like a cousin of Chanel number 5. So this one, guys, is Genyen Rose. Si tu aimes, which one there's one perfume that, yeah, if you love perfume that has rose, peut-être tu vas aimer ça aussi parce que this one smells very rosy. And here I have 2 from Monstera. This one is Manseda Roses and Chocolate. Chocolat vraiment sorti dans ça. So sur mes chocolats, on va aimer ça parce que ça, on pas tellement prend de chocolat, but on prend 100 roses. Musky Garden, and like I was saying, Montal Candy Roses. No, Candy Rose actually. And ici j'ai 4 de Mansela. Velvet Vanille, Oud Vanille, and here is Amber and Roses. And this one, unfortunately, I do not get the rose. I get more amber than rose, but it's still a nice perfume. I like it. This one is Sicily. This is unisex, but for me this one is more masculine than feminine. So, but I do enjoy it. I'll wear this one more when it's vraiment quand il fait vraiment froid. J'ai aussi de nouveaux parfums, which are Majesty Tubereuse and Royal Oud. I can't really tell much about those two because I just got them. I don't really have time to wear them, but I'll get them used and tell you more about them. Et là, j'ai tag her from ARMAF aussi. Et j'ai aussi 2 from the house of Be Layered. This one called Be Layered First Kiss. And the one behind it, se llama First Kiss Exclusive. I heard those smell similar to Delina and Delina Exclusive. I really don't know. I can't tell you guys porque no tengo ninguno de Delina. Así que yo no sé. J'ai aussi Sage Lutin. This one also is a unisex perfume. Mais pour moi, ce parfum un peu trop masculin. J'aime pas trop ce parfum parce que ça pue, genre, comment je peux dire ça? Like, vraiment masculin. But it does last a very long time. You just gotta, like, probably spray it. Just go with 2 spray. Parce que les résultats sont vraiment dérangeants parce que c'est vraiment strong. So in here I have 2 from the house of, how you call it, Swiss Arabian also. I have this one, which is Oud. I heard this one smells similar to a lancome. I think Oud Bouquet. I really don't know. I can't tell you because I do not have it. And I have this one, Swiss Arabian Oud Oswald. Este smells similar to this one. So guys, this is how the 3rd shelf looks like. Okay, here I have different houses. C'est un peu mixé parce que j'ai des parfums from Zara, j'ai des parfums from ARMAF, j'ai aussi des parfums de designer et des parfums de célébrité. Donc ici, c'est pas vraiment en ordre. I was running out of space and I just decided to put them right here. So over here, I have some from Zara. As you can see, guys, los perfumes de Zara me han gustado. Este se llama Zara Orchid y el blanco se llama Zara Femme y el tercero se llama Zara Gardenia and the 4th one se llama Red Vanilla. This one is Club de Nuit Eau de Parfum pour Femme. Este perfume huele similar to Chanel y Coco Mademoiselle. Y lo único que este perfume no dura mucho como Chanel Coco Mademoiselle. A mí me dura como unos 7-8 horas y después se desaparece. But it's fine because it is very affordable. If you love Chanel Coco Mademoiselle, you might love this one because this one smells similar. The only problem or my only issue with this one, it doesn't last quite long as Chanel No. 5. This one, after probably 7 to 8 hours, it disappears, which is not really a problem because this one is very affordable. And I have to tell you guys, this bottle is very, very heavy. This one is one of my favorite for winter. This is Club de Nuit Intense. I'm telling you, in winter, I enjoy this one. I love, I'm in love with this. It is a strong perfume, but in winter, wow, li pa dérange. Et ça, mon problème avec bouteille, ça, c'est parce que l'elle va finir vraiment pas carré. L'elle va finir, c'est l'offre flité, tchik, et boire flite la sortie tout petit, ou qu'on elle va finir. So, dans moment qui fait fret, Club de Nuit Intense, ooh, you can't go wrong with that. And it is very affordable also. So, in here, I have Yellow Velvet from Zara. This one also is very pretty. I don't think I have a lot left, but it is what it is. Okay, right here I have Pink Flambe, and I have back there is Zara Magnolia, Powdery Magnolia. Okay, let me talk to you about this one, guys. This is a very, very nice. I love this perfume. It is very affordable. This one is from ARMAF. I'm telling you, I get a lot of compliment with this one. Specifically during that pandemic, people can't really get to your scent because they wearing mask. So you must have really like a nice or a strong perfume in order for you to get compliment. This one, it is not a strong perfume. If you love a rose in perfume, this one smells like rose, and it does last a quite long, and it is very, very feminine, and I got a lot of compliment. Este se llama Studio Parfum Fiesta de la Casa de ARMAF. Parfum ça vraiment, vraiment senti bon. Et puis moi, je n'en pile un peu le compliment, il est vraiment, vraiment économique. Ok, bon, just mettez ça au bac pour continuer. So, t'as aimé qu'on côté m'acheter meuble ça, m'a mis le link en bas vidéo, hein, qui c'est IKEA, ou je n'ai acheté dans IKEA. Chaque meuble ça au côté $60. Si c'est au calprendre, vous pas faut payer pour les. Si c'est au cap potel pour dépendre de distance là, vous calculez de $49 jusqu'à X. So, okay, this one is Magic Ocean. Tant que je nous carre parfum Zara yo, moi vraiment use parce que moi vraiment aime yo. Si tout l'aime fin ben, l'aime pas sorti, moi use yo. Et ça c'est Zara Nuit. Aquí tengo 3 de esas botellas. Zara Woman Gold. Tengo Zara Rose Gold. Que es estas botellas es un poquito pesadas. And over here I have Cashmere Rose. This perfume is a little bit challenging. Why I say that? Because not everyone gonna like it, because it is a strong perfume and it does has a smell like something you'd never smelled before. When I say that, it's not in a good way, it's not also in a bad way, but it has something that is, I mean, for me, it has something that is smell very different. But I bought it because I don't know, I like the bottle and I heard it lasts very long. So I said, okay, I get curious and I said, okay, let me just get it. And I got it. I'm telling you, I love it. But in summer, no, you can't wear this one in summer. This one is a winter perfume because it does smell very, very strong. And I think this one is from India and the name of it is Ragba. So, parfum ça, c'est un parfum. Et c'est pas tout le monde qui carrément parce que les gens qui vraiment compliqué. Peut-être ou gen pas remen, peut-être ou gen va remen, peut-être si après l'offre fait 3 mété ou après remen. But même moi remen, mais c'est pas parfait moi use non quand c'est en pile, surtout dans l'époque qui fait chaud, son parfait moi conseille au mété dans l'époque qui fait et fret, et parfait ça unisex. Men and women can mettre d'après moi-même. This one right there, this little baby, se llama The Girl by Tommy. Este perfume me encanta. Es un perfume very clean, very fresh. If you don't like, if you don't feel wearing something very heavy, you want something like a body splash or body mist, you can just go for this one. If you go into the supermarket, you're going just right there next to the next block. So yeah, this is very good and very affordable. Like I was saying, this here is kind of like mixed. So let me start from the back. I have this one, Oscar de la Renta Velvet Noir. So if you love a, how you call it, black orchid, you might love this one. I'm not saying it's a dupe, I'm not saying it's similar, I'm not saying, oh, excuse me, moi pas dit que c'est un parfum qui gagne même sorte avec black orchid. Moi juste pas une référence, just in case. So that is Velvet Noir by Oscar de la Renta. J'ai aussi Ange ou Démon from the house of Givenchy. Ange ou Démon, eau de parfum. Beaucoup de gens disent que ce parfum est vraiment, vraiment strong et vraiment puissant, vraiment citrique. Pour moi, c'est un parfum normal. Et beaucoup de gens disent que yo use parfum ça seulement dans l'hiver parce que il est vraiment, vraiment fort. Pour moi, c'est pas un parfum qui est fort. Moi, je trouve le normal. Au contraire, moi, je trouve un parfum qui est sweet. Même si moi, pas vraiment, vraiment bien temps pour me user. À peine si je user 3 à 4 fois. So, this is Ange ou Démon by Givenchy eau de parfum. Il y a un kit bagarre là, t'as quoi? Des zèle. Il y a un autre parfum très, très économique. Et White Diamonds lustre eau de toilette. Imagine un parfum qui eau de toilette. Parfum ça vraiment économique et vraiment bon pour prix. Les durées ont fait de on dit 7 à 8 temps. Ça dépend de mon sous mon nez. Pas son parfum sur mes bergamote, sur mes citron, sur mes fruits ou cabremen parce que ce parfum ça bon moi sent ça au moins là. This one is Red Door by Elizabeth Arden. Para mí este perfume es un clásico de la familia Vintage porque este perfume huele, no es que huele como los perfumes de Guerlain o los perfumes de, o el perfume de Coco, no, Chanel número 5, pero es un perfume que es como primo, como dicen en mi país, primo lejos. Cuando la persona es primo de tu mamá, no es tu primo. Nosotros nos llamamos esas personas primos lejos. So, c'est un petit cousin loin de Chanel numéro 5 ou bien le parfum et Charlie Mario parce que yo basé comme si yo gen même vibe là. So, Elizabeth Red Door, I think every woman should have this one because it is very classic and elegant and also very affordable. Et si tu aimes Si Passion, peut-être tu vas aimer ça aussi parce que this one smells similar to Si Passion. Et j'aime bien ce parfum. J'utilise ce parfum fort souvent avec Si Passion. Par exemple, si je mettais 4 flits sur moi, ok, on dit 4 flits. Moi, fais 3 flits dans le parfum ça qui c'est Always Red from Elizabeth Arden, et puis moi fais seulement yon flet sur moi avec si passé nan parce que yo gen sent vraiment similaire. En 2019, j'ai utilisé ce parfum comme une folle. J'étais follement amoureuse de ce parfum. Et tant que j'en ai caboué, it is almost gone. I have probably, let's say 5 sprays left. I used to love this perfume a lot. I used to wear this perfume basically every single day. This one called Versace Eros Parfum. As you can see, this one is a eau de parfum. Mwen kwe eau de toilette lan li pa gen sa devan. So Versace Eros Parfum used to be my love, my parfum ready, like if I don't know what to wear, I'll just go for Versace Eros Parfum. And over here I have Versace Dylan Blue. This one also, it is very nice, like a business woman. You wear like a very nice suit and you go for this perfume. This one is Versace. Unfortunately, je n'arrive pas à rappeler de nos parfums ça. Par contre pour ça, but toujours oublié non. I always forget the name of this perfume. But este perfume es de la casa y Versace. Es un perfume fresco, very like clean and fresh. This one is from Ralph Lauren. This one is from Jimmy Choo. And over here I have this one. This one is, let me get the light because I don't think you guys can see it. Okay, this one is oil, is a oil from a, I'm not gonna say you can get this one from Victoria's Secret, but this one is one of Victoria's Secret body mist, but in oil. This is called a Pure Seduction, and it does smell very, now I'm not gonna say similar, but lis gen même sort avec Pure Seduction by Victoria's Secret. And this is my 3rd bottle. Unfortunately, I can't tell you where to get them because someone gave it to me. Pour bien dire yon customer bon. I have Mont Blanc, very floral parfum. This one is a fruity perfume, but don't get me wrong, this one is very it is very strong. It is a nice perfume, as you can see. Li presque finito, but it's not a perfume that you can wear every day, and spécialement na époque qui fait chaud. Este perfume para mí es un perfume para invierno porque huele bien, pero bien fuerte. Y aquí tengo Kenzo l'éléphant. Ça c'est un parfum vraiment sexy tout. Il y a un parfum et femme qui aime Tony Mix après mes parfums ça passe parfum ça l'élève en côté li pas ba mon glan pour li pas besoin qu'on sous sinizit li pas besoin qu'on est sous paramètre qui faut la chose caille, and I love it. It lasts quite long, like very long actually. El culpable de que a mí me gustan los perfumes se llama Fancy by Jessica Simpson. So this is how the 4th shelf looks like. Vu que moi déjà en bas, so I'm gonna show you this one. So vu que moi getan là déjà, so avant moi camper, m'a just montrer nous ça parce que c'est chita. Là, moi, j'ai mix tout. Moi, pas vraiment gain comme si. Yo pas vraiment rangé par comme si. Ba catégorisé. Like I said, I was running out of space and I just put them right here. So. Baiser volé by Cartier. Vraiment. Para mí es un perfume smoky. Vraiment nice. I love this one also. This is my 2nd bottle. And this one, unfortunately, after. It does last long, but I was wondering, I wanted it to last longer than that. After 9 to 10 hours, you have to spray it again, but it's fine because normally a perfume should last you 8 hours, but this one does last 10 hours. And the bottle is very pretty. For those who like to smoke, you might love this one. Again, même genre avec, il fait même genre avec un briquet. So here I have Vince Camuto. I love this perfume. Vince Camuto. I think that's the first perfume Vince Camuto came out with. And este perfume es muy económico también. Es un perfume lindo, floral y es un poquito fresco también. Este perfume me encanta, me dura todo el día y es un perfume muy, pero muy económico. Mwen genyen un parfum qui en pile moun reme, Dolce Gabbana The One. Ça vraiment senti bon. Il y a senti cannelle, il y a senti chiclette. À chaque fois que je sens parfum ça, il comme si je sentais de l'eau envie de sortir dans la bouche moi. OK. Mwen genyen My Burberry. Quand nous avons My Burberry presque fini ça, son parfum moi vraiment aimé, son parfum moi catégorisé même avec Chanel Gabriel. Nan pi devant dans vidéo ça n'a pas qui parfum qui Chanel Gabriel. My Burberry Black. M'pense parfum ça son parfum et si moun ka mette tout parce qu'il est vraiment inoffensif, ça son parfum qui dure en pile temps et wow, moi pas penser ça pour les parfums ça dure toute journée, peut-être dans radlan jusqu'à 3 jours. Son parfum moi vraiment aimé et parfum ça et I think even teenager can wear it because it's not a strong perfume. It smells like very floral, vraiment nice. Diesel 0 Plus, and I have here red jeans from Versace, and another one that I like from the house of Vince Camuto, this one called Divina. I love this one, I enjoy this one, and I always get compliment every time I wear this. This one is new in my collection. This one, I think it calls Youth Dew. I hope I pronounce it right. Et je veux pas dire que ce parfum est non carrièreusement dans les potes saisonniers. Non, au contraire, ça c'est un parfum qui est vraiment citrique, vraiment puissant. Et c'est un parfum pour use dans l'hiver. C'est un parfum pour use dans l'hiver parce qu'il est vraiment fort. Là, moi, genyen Cartier, La Panthère. Vraiment nice, too. Moi, genyen, OK. Avant de commencer, toute ligne, ça, c'est Bulgari ou Bulgari. No sé si se pronuncia la B corta o si no se pronuncia, pero no me, o sea, ¿cómo se puede decir esto? Yo no me acuerdo o sea, el nombre de ninguno de estos. Yo no sé por qué, pero es que no. Por más que intente de recordarme los nombres, no me queda. Este es un perfume que me ha encantado. Me enamoró este perfume en el año 2017. Y mira dónde lo llevo. Es un perfume que puede usar en cualquier época en el año. Parfum, ça m'a toujours joué un pile compliment. Si vous avez dit me fait 10 et bah ou 10 parfums, moi joué un pile compliment, ça tape yon la donne. OK, ça m'a changé non parce que il est écrit là. Ça c'est Goldea de Woman Night. Ça c'est un parfum vraiment nice aussi. Here and back there, I have 3 from the house of Cabotin. Cabotin Fleur Splendide, Cabotin El Famoso, Cabotin de Grèce. Et puis là, moi, j'ai Cabotin Florali, vraiment tropical. And I have this one from Burberry, the house. Okay, I'm making a mess. The house of Burberry. This one is a very nice perfume also for the summer. Ça, c'est la Ligue Le Parfum. OK, I'm making a mess. Ça, c'est Odyssey. No, yeah. Odyssey. No, Issey Miyake, not Odyssey. Issey Miyake. Pink Sugar. A lot of you already know about Pink Sugar. It's a burning sugar candy, cotton candy. Very nice, very sweet. And this one is Just Me by Paris Hilton. I normally wear these two together. And I have one from Chomp's daughter. This one called Abianca Chomp. And this one is pink. It's from also the same This one from Aquadelina, and this one also from Aquadelina, and it's called Gold Sugar. And this one, it is very nice, very, very, very nice, very gourmand. I have Live Irresistible from Givenchy. I have my favorite one from the house of Lomani. This one called Lomani. This one called Miss Lomani. And it has like a little belt, but unfortunately I lost it. I can't find it. And this one right here is Guess by Marciano. I love this one also. If you're not going anywhere, if you're just chilling at the house, you have a nice backyard, and ou bien un bon balcon, ou just comprendre ou pas prendre ken côté qui loin, ou just mettez ti parfum ça so. Là, moi gagne Lomani Millionnaire. Ça, c'est un parfum qui est vraiment, vraiment senti bon tout et très, très économique. Tant que nous allons avoir moi bal un bon coup, un bon use parce que ça est vraiment économique et vraiment senti bon. So, pour le travail, ou ka use parfum ça. Moi gagne Paris Hilton. I think this one called Sheer. And this one, it's more like a fresh perfume. If you're not going anywhere, you can just wear this one just to chill at the house with your kid, with your husband, whoever you live with. This one is, I call this perfume Sex in a Bottle. This one is very elegant, classic, seductive. I love this perfume. This one called Rihanna Rebel Flare. Actually, this is my third bottle. Ça c'est troisième bouteille. Moi, vraiment, vraiment aimé parfum ça. So, si tu as aimé joindre plus d'informations de parfum ça, quittez non et quittez commentaire pour moi faire me connaître. Ça, moi, relève le sexe dans une bouteille parce qu'il est vraiment, vraiment séductif. I have two from the house of Katy Perry, t-shirt ça c'est Katy Perry miao, ça de la Katy Perry pure. So and here I think different houses also. So Scandal, Jean-Paul Gaultier Scandal by Night. Ça vraiment soit vraiment douce, vraiment vraiment senti bon. Ça gagne sent et miel là-dedans tout et puis il gagne sent canne à sucre. Scandal et Jean-Paul Gaultier Scandal. Ça gagne sent sirop miel. I'm sorry, excuse me. Those perfumes last a quiet long, like very, very long, like the whole freaking day. You're gonna smell this thing on you for the whole day. Even the next day, you're still gonna get it. It's become like it becomes like how you call it, like a skin scent probably after 14 or 15 hours, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, here I have Jean-Paul Gaultier classic eau de toilette, and here I have my favorite. This is my favorite. When I say my favorite, one of my favorite, I always say it, and I'm always gonna say, I will always say it. If there is fire, they tell me to save one perfume, and this one is the first perfume that I'm gonna save. First of all, it's a perfume you can wear all the time. You can wear it any cualquier época en el año, really very like orange blossom, mandarin. I love it, I enjoy it. It's a compliment getter. I don't know what to tell you about this one. This is a Jean-Paul Gaultier classic or Jean-Paul Gaultier classic essence. This is a beast mode. This perfume lasts forever and ever. Ok, parfum ça lui-même n'est La Belle from Jean-Paul Gaultier. Ça c'est un parfum quoi que sorti en 2019. Si je ne pas mentir, ça c'est un parfum qui dure toute une journée sur un fruit et pour un qui mélange avec vanille, peut-être toi premier ça. You're not a parfum vraiment élégant. Parfum ça really Donna from Valentino. I love this perfume. This is very nice, very sweet, very feminine, and very elegant, and it does last a quite long. This is the perfume I was talking about when I was talking about the Always Red. This one called Si Passion, and here I have this whole line from top to the bottom, or Carolina Herrera perfume. This one very sexy. No, sexy. I don't know why I kept on saying very sexy. This one is, every time I'm talking about this perfume, I kept on saying very sexy. This one called 212 sexy, and this is a floral perfume, and it lasts very, very long, like the whole day. This is a summer perfume, and this one is a very sick, oh no, 212 rosé, and this one parfum artisan, vraiment vraiment fort. So I love it, I enjoy it, and I wear it all time. I mean all the time, during night, during day, I don't care. It's my perfume, I bought it, I wear it anytime I want. Carolina Herrera, the good girl. She is a good girl. She's pretty, she's beautiful, she's sexy, she's feminine. If you're going out with your boo-boo, so you can wear this one. Derrière là, moi j'ai 212 VIP Gold. Et pour me finir, moi j'ai 212 I Love New York. Là, moi j'ai Michael Kors. This one is Michael Kors Coral. Michael Kors, very Nollywood or Hollywood. I really don't remember. And I have 3. This is Midnight Shimmer. This one is Sunset. And this one is Rio de Janeiro. Right here, I have this one. Very fruity. This is watermelon in a bottle. This is cocktail in a bottle. This is good for summer. This one called L'Impératrice numéro 3 Dolce & Gabbana. Ok, là moi gen parcours Rabanne, pas derrière la bouteille noire, ça n'a pas gardé, c'est un parfum qui c'est Yves Saint Laurent, et parfum ça c'est Yves Saint Laurent qui fait ça les Black Opium. If you love coffee, if you love vanilla sweet, this is a good to go. I love this one. This is Black Opium from a, how you call it, Yves Saint Laurent. Ok, là moi genyen. Ça c'est 3e bouteille, moi c'est pas mentir, ça c'est Olympia et Eau Intense. Moi vraiment Olympia Eau Intense, ça c'est un parfum qui dure une journée et qui vraiment sweet, vraiment senti bon. Ça gagne sent popcorn douce, moi vraiment aimé. Ça les pure XS et Black XS. And here I have my favorite from the house of Paco Rabanne. This one called Lady Milan, and actually this is my 4th bottle. I love this one. I enjoy it in the summer. This is a perfume I can't get over with, because I don't know, I just love it, and I smell like I'm a millionaire. From the same line of Lady Million, this one is Lady Million Privé. I love this one also. I enjoy this one. This one smells like chocolate, like Nutella. If you like chocolate in a bottle, well, this is good for you. You might love this one. Check it out. So this one, guys, this is how the 3rd shelf looks like. Okay, I'm gonna stand up and show you the 2nd one. And here I have 2 from Marc Jacob. This one is Marc Jacob Decadence. This is my 3rd bottle from Marc Jacob. I mean, this is Marc Jacob Divine Decadence, and this one is Marc Jacob's Decadence, and this is my 3rd bottle from Marc Jacob Decadence. I love it, I enjoy it. It is very sexy when you want to go to the club. This is a good to go. I have Miss Dior Absolutely Blooming. I have Idol. I have The Bad Girl, which is Poison Girl. And j'ai Parfait de Rose. J'ai aussi Santal Rose. Non, Santal Cardamom. And j'ai aussi Tuberose Castagne. J'ai this one that is called J'adore. This is my 2nd bottle from J'adore. I love J'adore. This is very classic, elegant, and floral. And this one is Christian. I know this one is Dior Addict, and this one is very nice also. But I don't think this is a all the time perfumes. This is more like a winter perfumes. So là moi genyen the house of Thierry Mugler. Ça c'est Thierry Mugler Angel, Thierry Mugler Angel Mousse, Thierry Mugler Alien. This is a very nice perfume. This one also very nice but really hard to find. This is Alien Essence Absolue, and my very beloved Eau Extra. Ça c'est Alien Sublime. Ça c'est Oud Majesté. This is a nice perfume if you would like to introduce yourself to oud, you want to know what does oud smell like. This is a very nice one to like begin with the note of oud. And this one is Flora Futura. So this is how the La Tercera shelf look like. Okay, here I have my classic perfumes. This is women with money we're talking about now. So, là, moi, j'ai Chanel numéro 5, Chanel Gabrielle, Chanel Allure, et el famoso Chanel Coco Chanel, et Coco Mademoiselle. A lot of you guys love this one. A lot of you hate it. I am one of those that love it. This one is Coco Noir, Boucheron, So Exceller by Yves Rocher, and Gas Seductive. Okay, let's talk about feminine. Girly. This is Girl of Now Shine. This is Girl of Now Forever. Oh my god, this is probably my fifth bottle. I love this one. I enjoy it. It is a compliment getter. Guys, get your nose. No, those are good. And this is Gucci Guilty Eau de Toilette. Very nice also. And here, my lovely Guerlain. Guerlain Mitsuko, Guerlain L'Heure Bleue, and mon Guerlain Eau de Parfum, La Petite Robe Noire Black Perfecto, and Shalimar. I love Shalimar. And here I have two from the house of Burberry. This is Burberry Tender and Burberry Tender and Burberry Body. Now that's la moi genyen. The house of Viva la Juicy. This is Juicy Couture Gold and Juicy Couture Noir, and my favorite one behind it, which is Juicy Couture, the very first one that came out. Hold on. This one, guys, it is a nice and very economic, very affordable, and this thing lasts forever on your skin, on your clothes. This one doesn't go away. Here I have Lancome. This one is La Nuit Trésor, La Vida es Bella, or La Vie est Belle, Life is Beautiful. And I also have back there La Vie est Belle en Rose. And I have Trésor Midnight Rose. Here I have my, the house of for Avon. I have this one that's called Far Away Gold. It's almost gone also. And I have Far Away Infinity. This is my second value from this one. And I have Infinity. I don't really know. This one called Aloe. Before I said I don't really remember the name. This one is called Aloe. And this one is this one came out in this year. And this one I don't really remember, but it has a like a soleil something on his name. Okay, here I have my ladies. This one is Onika, and this one is my favorite one. Unfortunately, okay, you're making a mess, Sylvanie. I can't find this one, guys. If I can find it, I'll buy two of it because I love it. I enjoy it. If you love Jennifer Lopez Miami Glow, you might love this one. It smells similar, but the only thing, this one lasts longer and it is prettier. I love this one. This one called Pink Print. Unfortunately, I don't know what they did to this one. I can't find it. This one is Majesty, very nice and very sweet. And back there I have Pink Friday. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any question, please don't forget to let me know. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Bay vidéo ça, yon like. So gen n'importe question, pas oublier, femme connaît et dim qui pas faire ou remen, dim qui pas faire ta remen, moi parle plus de yo. So merci parce que merci parce que t'as regardé vidéo ça, moi vraiment apprécié temps, moi connais ça c'est une longue vidéo, but déjà je voulais montrer nous collection, pas oublier même ça moi dit nous moi acheter dans IKEA, so t'as remen joindre plus d'informations de même ça, just femme connaît. Alors m'a quitter link là dans description vidéo. Merci, merci en pile. Ciao, n'a pas dans l'autre vidéo. Bye.